No, I'm gonna have to go ahead and ask you to come in on Saturday. And Sunday.
Face with like a solid colored background, like not all crappy like that, right?
Yeah.
And then you'd have like starting there, you'd start kind of like dots that transition.
Yeah, I think that actually might be a good idea because if the site changes too much, you know, with the redesign and the new features, then like
people will be like,
yeah,
you lied to me.
yeah, why change it?